Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Once upon a time, the end. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix from WizKids, Deadpool at Home. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure containing the exclusive figure Deadpool at Home. He's at home and he's reading a book of what's this? The History of Wolverine. Okay. And I got this particular figure from the auction, Christmas auction. So I won this together with a booster. So you can see the condition of the box, not pristine, but that's totally fine. Expected when you do international shipping. And this product was released 2025 by WizKids and NECA. So I've been wanting to get this particular item for the longest time, but it was quite pricey during that time. So I decided to wait it out, as he's not so, I would say, not so priority. Okay, but when the opportunity arrived for me to get him in the auction, I was happy to acquire him. And here he is outside of the plastic in all his epicness. Let's zoom in. Okay, so we have Panther chair. Now we have Deadpool chair. Okay, and as always for exclusive promo figure, the sculpt is impeccable, paint job is great, and the details are there. You can see the book. Okay, have some text lines. That's really good. And handicraft work. Okay, you can even read the History of Wolverine label of the book. Okay, that is a lot of pages for the History of Wolverine. Well, he is Wolverine, so he has a long history, especially with Deadpool. Okay, so Deadpool seems to be at home wearing his robe and what do we call that hat? That seems like a bellboy hat. Okay, so if you know, you can always comment in the video. Okay, so again, very good piece. Sculpt alone makes it worthwhile. But let's take a look at the card. So Deadpool is MVP 25-008, and he only has the Deadpool core. Okay, so that's why he was not priority, because he doesn't have the X-Men keyword. But Deadpool core, of course, is adjacent to the X-Men. So if I'm able to get him at a good price, I did. He has the team player ability and a trait, the ultimate team player. When establishing teams, Deadpool gains any keyword friendly characters have. So he's always part of a team teamed if you're building that. When Deadpool uses the team player team ability, he may choose an uncopyable team ability, okay, which is really good. That means he can get Mystics, Cosmic, what else? Hyper Time. Okay, so that really beeps up Deadpool. And he also has a special damage power. You're making me get up, which is top super senses. And you can see on the dial, his bit of it's like a 50-50 dial. The first half, he's just chilling around, doing sidestep, precision strike, 19 senses, and a special damage power. And then when that stop click hits, he becomes aggressive with running shot, pensai, and prob. Okay, that special damage power is called armchair theorizing. It's funny. When Deadpool starts the game, choose a name. Probability control. When Deadpool uses it to target a character with the chosen name, you may choose to reroll a single die in that roll, which is really powerful. I really think that probability control, that one die replacement or one die probability control is much better than the regular probability control, because if you roll high for one of the die, then you can just re-roll the lower die. Okay, so giving you more probability to hit. Whereas if you do regular probability control, the second roll can be lower than the first one. Okay, so real name is Wade Wilson, and appearance is Wolverine Origins number 45 2010. Okay, so really interesting piece. Uh, how will I describe it? For 50 points, he's good because of that particular probability control, and he has survivability, and he fits anywhere. Okay, but my sense is that your opposing team will just ignore him. Okay, or until late game in that sense. Yeah. So, but maybe put, I don't know, an equipment. What would be a good equipment? Maybe Animal Man will always make anyone better. Maybe a trick arrow. Okay, because only one damage. So instead of regular damage, you can do a trick arrow effect. Okay, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And Deadpool will continue reading the history of Wolverine. Bye!